Hello, I'm Amber Uper, and this is a model kit review. And for this model kit review, we've got a dandy kit for you here. This is a kit by Fujimi of Japan, and it is made in the same style as the Toon tanks. This is a compressed kit. It's a cartoonized, if you want to call it that. It's a, it's not an officially same size within scale kind of kit. It's an interesting little kit. So here's the top of the box, and this is all in Japanese. I can't read any of it. So this is the side, shows some of the other models they make. Ridiculous but fun. Here's one end of the kit, and here's the side box, and this is all the writing. Yeah, the only thing I can read here, made in Japan. And a couple more kits, or maybe this is the two sides of this kit. Yeah, that could be front and back. Let's see, manufactured by Fujimi Moke Co. Limited. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to pronounce much of that. And then here's the other end. So let's take a look at what's inside this crazy kit. If I get the lid off, right? Okay, so the first thing here is the instructions. These are in color. It's quite impressive, actually. Let's see. Here is your... Oh, look at those things. Fancy decals. I don't know if these are decals or stick-ons. Could be either one. And it looks like all the wing things for the airplanes. Your deck. And then a bunch more of these. Now these look like these are decals, water slide decals. So it looks like you may have a choice between the two. Alright, so here is a bag of airplanes. Little tiny airplanes. Let's see if we can get these up closer so you can see them better. And maybe if I move back, get better resolution on it. There we go. So that's one. There's two sprues in this bag. Here's one, and here's the other. These are the slightly bigger planes. So, interesting. You got, I won't say that they're a scale model of the various carrier planes, but they'll do. They'll represent. So then we got, here is your keel of this ship. And it's got 4 propellers. Here's your rudders. Let's see what we got on here. There's that. Here is your main superstructure. Oh, goes on this way. And now, I don't know if this might be a snap assembly where you just push the parts together. And now I realize that I have forgotten to go through the instructions first. So let's do that. So here we go. Here's the instructions. I believe these are completely in Japanese, so you just gotta look at the pictures and go from there for building it. So I think this is how to get the pieces off the sprue or put them on, and your decaling. And this is for the deck decals. So let's see. I think that's for the rub-on decal. The stick-on, if you want to call it that. Don't know. So here's how to do the airplanes. Your little decals for that, and propellers. And putting the ship together. Apparently there's a couple of things that fit in here. And your propellers here. And your rudders. Got a couple of lifeboats here. Well, this is a ship's launch, I suppose. These are lifeboats, so you got them here. Parts of your superstructure here. And back here. Then, let's see. I open it up this way, and we'll go to here. Number 5. More parts of the superstructure. I think this might be a stack. Yeah, these are weird stacks because it's a flat top aircraft carrier. So parts of the superstructure. Then you got all of your defensive guns here to go on the sides underneath the deck. Then the deck goes on here, right here. And then you got these exterior parts in your airplanes. And it shows here. And then it shows your parts in the sprues with numbers, so you know which part goes to which number on the instructions. Okay, pretty good instructions, especially if you can read Japanese. So let's look at here's a bunch of superstructure parts. Yeah, I think these are all press fit. I'm not sure. So we'll put those over there. Here's your deck. The deck just goes on, I don't know which way it goes on. It goes on this way. Judging by that, I'm guessing it goes on this way. But anyway, oh yeah, it does. So there's that. Then we have this, which probably had the deck in it. Got a couple other little parts here. Oh, then we've got this. Yeah, here's your defensive guns, your anti-aircraft guns. A couple anchors, a couple more anti-aircraft guns. One is lifeboat, motor launch. Not sure what that is, probably lifeboat. Yeah, the one stacks on top of the other, that's why those are in there. And then these things, I'm sure there's a name for them. They go up on top of the deck. Actually, on this, I think they go out sideways from the deck. Let's see, that's it for in the box. Then you've got more defensive guns, or anti-aircraft guns. 2 more anchors, more guns, more boats, more of these things. It's like these two look like the same sprue. I guess you get 2 of those sprues with it. So, we'll put these back in the box. And we'll talk about this here. As you can see, it's not a very big model, but it should certainly be interesting enough to build. I think there's parts that go on here that this attaches to, like this big piece here. I believe that goes on here like this. And then there's going to be something like this. Yeah. So, and then you've got your bow. I think that's the stern. Goes back here. Yeah. Various parts. So, that's what there is to this kit. It's got quite a few parts for being the kind of kit it is. It's pretty interesting. Let's put that in there. So, there it is. This crazy little kit. And obviously from looking at the side of the box, there's more kits just of the same kind. Different ships. You got different flat top carriers. Yeah, it's like 3 of them here. This one is I forget what they call it. The hull's not on there. No, is that the same kit, just different versions of it? Yeah, I believe it is. Guess there's a stand for it, but I don't know, there's no stand in here. So, but yeah, they have more of these kits available, different kinds of boats. It's a whole series of kits for these, this type. So if you would like to build kits like that, take a look at Fujimi and see what they have available. Anyway, that is my model kit review for this flat top aircraft carrier. And that's all there is to that. Thanks for watching.